And now we just got to take and put some holes for bolting it down, and it's done. Oh yeah, check that out. Channel. Today we're going to install our 2011 to 2016 Ford Super Duty air deflector. You're right, Ford didn't come up with this from the factory. We did. Check out that thing. Vance has got one right here. Vance jumped the gun, got it loose. Anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to loosen up your grill bolts right here. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to take this bad boy. Vance is going to slide it in there. And you have to pick up the hoses that go over the radiator. Vance, pick up the hoses. These are designed to go on top. And then from there, you will literally thread your OEM grill bolts back in and tighten them up. It is. I'm working hard. It's that easy. You can order this with your custom Instagram or whatever social media you want on it, your business name. We can put that into there for you. We also have this available in 10 different powder coat options. We will be adding a custom powder coat option. Somebody's really loud. Yeah.
Dude, that guy's bumping.
Harley's got some good music to it.
Yeah.
Well, good sound, like it's loud. I don't know if it's good music. Anyways, you can order this with your custom business name or whatever you want engraved in here. In memory of, we just had somebody order one that says in memory of for a 6.0 Power Stroke. They're doing a build for a 6.0 Power Stroke. We did that for them. We can laser engrave that in there for you. And yeah, I mean, it's really not a performance part. No, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But it really looks cool.
Looks so good.
Air compressor every time. It looks absolutely incredible. If you notice, we tucked it in really nice right here with the grill. So that's gonna help it showcase it, and it bolts right in. So it is super easy to install. Vance, where can they get these at?
Dude, on the website or call in.
Either one, blessperformance.com, 1-800-577-2698. And if you need tech support installing it, Vance is a master at it, as you can see.
Took like 2 minutes.
I know how to run a drill.
He knows how to run a drill. Thank you all for your support. We truly appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.